Hey, third grade. Today we're going to talk about two new prefixes. As a reminder, a prefix is letters that are added to the beginning of a base word, and when you add those letters, it changes the meaning of the word. So the two that we're going to talk about today are by and mid. So the first one we're going to talk about is by, and by means two. It kind of makes it easy to remember because it has two letters. So by means two, and when you add by to a base word, then it adds a syllable. So for example, if I have the word bi-yearly, I start out with the base word yearly. When I add by to it, then it means that bi-yearly is something that happens twice a year. And it also adds that extra syllable, because we start out with yearly, which is just yearly, having two syllables. And when I add by to the beginning of it, then it adds another syllable. So it's bi-yearly, which would be three syllables. So what I want you to do right now is get with your groups, and I want you to come up with at least 3 words that have the prefix by at the beginning of them. I'll give you just a second. Nice job with those words. The next prefix that we're going to talk about is mid, and mid means middle. And when you add mid to a word, you are adding it to nouns. So for example, if I start out with the noun afternoon and add the prefix mid to it, then it would be mid-afternoon. And that would mean something that happens in the middle of the afternoon. So what I want you to do is get with your groups and come up with at least 3 words that have the prefix mid at the beginning of them. I'll give you just a second. Awesome job, third grade. Now when you come to words that have by or mid in them, you're going to know exactly what they mean.